Turn off and disconnect the electrical power and water supply. Remove the softener and detergent drawer. Rotate to access the back section. Locate and remove the top back cover screws. Remove the top back cover. Label the cable connectors. Disconnect the cable connectors. Pull out the whole water inlet module. This is necessary as there is an underneath bracket holding the water inlet valve module to it. Remove the mounting screws of the water inlet valve module. Do not remove the module's assembly screws. Remove the mounting bracket. Unpack the new replacement water inlet valve module. Remove gaskets from both the original and the new water inlet valve modules. Use the gaskets from the original water inlet valve module as they are thicker. Reassemble the water inlet valve module, the black mounting bracket, and the water binlet module together. Insert and push the water inlet module into the back compartment. Install the remaining mounting screws. Connect the cable connectors. Close the back top compartment cover. Secure the mounting screws. Connect and turn on the electrical power and water supply. Reposition the washing machine. Insert the softener and detergent drawer. Power up and test.